zoomed in, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So where we going, sis?
We going to Miami. Where y'all going?
Nowhere.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just like, we'll see y'all when we get to the airport.
I want you to separate the bikes.
Waiting for my mama. They in the bathroom lighting it up.
Yeah, they being, you know, shitters.
We made a new friend.
Look at him.
Say hey to my vlog. Say hey to my vlog.
Who is it? Who is it?
My vlog.
What?
My vlog.
Oh.
We famous. We're famous YouTubers.
Okay.
So we're on the plane. We've been on here for about an hour now. Mom. Hey, Mom. So yeah. It's 7:08, and we're supposed to get there at like 8:25. Angel couldn't sit with us. She all the way up front. This way. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I forgot to end it last night. What did we do last night?
Went to bed.
Oh,
We went to Chipotle.
we went to Chipotle, and then we went to the room. And we went to sleep. And now we at McDonald's.
Getting a little some food. Now we headed to the mall too. Don't forget.
Oh yeah, we going to the mall. And then after that, we're going to Sugar Factory.
Yep.
I don't know what else we're going to do. I think we should go to the beach. But we're going to have to go back to the room and get our bathing
And change. I feel like I want me something to eat, y'all, because the lady made me mad at Chipotle. She made my burrito all watery and soggy. Like, and it just wasn't good.
Like, y'all know how, like, when y'all get the mal with the tomato, they, like, shake it so all the juice won't be in it. She just dumped that shit.
She didn't do that. She didn't do that.
Her juice was coming out the runner's wrap.
Then she gonna try and slap it in a bowl to make it a little bit better. No, if I wanted a bowl, then I would have asked for one. Well, she got a.
Oh, she put it in a bowl.
Yeah.
I thought you did that.
No, she slapped that bitch right in the bowl. She said for here to go. I said for here to step.
I'm saying.
Girl, why you going with that scooter?
Oh, y'all, look at this.
I think these dudes are crazy. Like, if I see one more dirty looking boy.
Yes, when we was at the hotel, these dudes had just went from Publix. They look nasty.
They look so dirty. And then they kept walking back and forth like, I'm not looking at you. If I'm, like, if I'm looking at you, I'm looking at how dirty you are. Like, ew.
I'm too weak. Hey y'all, we at Sugar Factory. Say hey to me. She's mad. Say hey y'all. So me and Angel got what drink we get? The Drake.
Are you guys ready?
Hey y'all, the drink was okay. Like when we got to the bottom, that's when it was good. But we about to leave now. I don't know what we're doing afterwards. Say hey to me. Target. We're about to go in Target now. Hey y'all. Right. I had to come in here and look for something. What's she looking at? Fuck. I'm looking for this visor. Oh, that's cute. The visor that I saw back home. I'm trying to find it. I know, I saw it. Good, how are you?
That little white girl. She was so annoying.
Y'all, they just got this ugly, plain black one. This shit ugly. Yeah, I don't see it. They don't even have the hat. Where's my mama? Oh. Some stuff already, that's it. But they got way more stuff than like stuff back in Richmond, so that's a good thing. But I had my mind set on that goddamn visor, so say hey, Ma.
Y'all play. Did y'all?
No, they didn't have it.
Really?
No.
Well, you paying that $2. Yeah, and we're going to the beach tomorrow and get back in the pool and jacuzzi. Y'all.
Cause we found out some little booze at the pool.
That was old man. and our Demi over there asleep. Hush it. Show them Demi over there asleep.
My mama went to the store to find her friend, y'all. She's asleep, y'all. Well, that's it, y'all. Bye.
Bitch, I'm a bitch.
Hey, Mom. Hey. So we walking to the beach.
Yes, to the beach. Let's get away. Hey. What you gotta say?
We've been trying to go to the beach all day, but we went to finger licking and we went to Aventura Mall. But yeah,
My stomach feel big.
and like y'all, I got a dookie.
Ooh, from eating all that food and stuff.
And then I still got leftovers. I had to save it so I have something later to eat. You got to think about it. I got my fanny pack on. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get back, when we go on the beach. Okay, so y'all, we planned to go back home and we missed the flight. So we have to stay one more day. And it's just, we've been at the airport since 8 and it's 2:54. We left like 20 minutes ago. But we gotta still find a new hotel, and like it took us 5 hours to freaking get a rental car. Like it's just a lot. And then we still gotta find a hotel, and then our bags that we checked in are on that was on that plane, so we gotta go buy some clothes. We don't have any clothes. I just have my fucking fanny pack. So yeah. And I'm sorry, I forgot to vlog last night. It was because like we was on the beach for a long time. Well, not a long time, but like we were just doing a lot. And then sand was getting everywhere, so I didn't want to put sand on the camera, so. And then y'all missed it. It was a boy that just came up to Angel and was like, do it, just do it.
Good way.
I didn't record that, but I'm gonna insert the Snapchat video I had. It's hilarious. He was telling us to smack him.
He wants it! Do it! Do it! Do it!